So I'm going to show you how to connect JBL Sense Pro to a Windows PC or laptop. So this is Windows 11 and it's on a PC. It's going to be the exact same instructions for a laptop. So what you need to do is put the earbuds in pairing mode. So open up the case, and then if they're not connected to any device, then they'll go into pairing mode automatically. If they are connected, then you simply tap and then tap and hold one of the earbuds, and that's going to take them into pairing mode. It's really that simple. You can tell they're in pairing mode because they're going to be blinking blue rapidly like that. So now what you need to do is go on your computer and click on Start button and then select Settings. Under Settings on the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices and then click on Add Device and then select the first option there, and your computer should start scanning for available Bluetooth devices it can connect to. So you can see Bluetooth headset has been detected. All you have to do is connect, or rather click on them to initiate the pairing and connection process, and just wait.